Hi all, welcome back. So today we are going to solve one question related to different integral. So let us start. Question is 0 से 2 pi sin square theta cos square theta d theta. So how we can solve this question? So here we know the our identity formula cos 2a equal to the cos square a minus sin square a. So what is your cos square a here? I'll see. Let us say this is a cos 2a formula in terms of the cos a and sin a. But we also formula we know if you this identity we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So let us substitute one by one. One is in terms of sin, one is in terms of cos. So let us substitute in sin. So here we are replacing theta to a. So this will be 1 minus 2 sin square a. Similarly, if you substitute this formula, for cos in terms of cos, so we'll get replace the sin in terms of cos 2 is equal to cos square a minus 1 minus sin square, sorry, cos square a. So here cos square minus 1 plus cos square a. So cos square to be added minus 1. So if you find out the sin square a, you will get in terms of cos 2a. So 1 plus 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Similarly, for cos square a, we will get cos 2a plus 1 by 2. So let us substitute this actually here. Then you will get here you can write like that. Use 2 pi sin square theta, we can put 1 minus cos square 2a by 2. 2 theta, here angle theta, so we put theta, and this will be 1 plus cos theta by 2 d theta, right? So here you can also 1 by 4 you can take outside, you will say 2 pi. Okay, so here it will be again make to the formula like cos square theta, right? So here this like a minus b plus, so it will be a square minus b square. So 1 square is a 1, so that's why. So here again we have to substitute this one actually. Okay, like that formula. So here angle is not theta, it's 2 theta. So if you replace it, then it will get it actually 1 by 4. To change the page, 1 by 4, 0 say 2 pi 1 minus cos square 2 theta 3 theta, right? So here 1 by 4 we will get it here 0 say 2 pi 1 minus, so cos square theta you will get it 1 plus cos 4 theta by 2 and d theta. So here is a double times, right? Like earlier was theta, so it will get 2 theta, here 2 theta, it will double 4 theta. Okay, so 1 by 4, let us solve it. So 2 minus 1, you get 1 plus minus cos 4 theta by 2 d theta. So 1 by 8, 0 से 2 pi, you will get here 1 minus cos 4 theta and d theta, right? So let us do integration. This is like integral operator is like linear, so we can do like that. 0 से first integration for 1 and this term, right? So 1 integration is theta minus this cos 4 theta, we will get sin 4 theta by 4. Okay. So limit is 0 से 2 pi. Okay na? So let us put the limit. So theta, so how they put limit? Upper limit minus lower limit. So upper limit is 2 pi minus lower limit minus, here is a sin 4 theta, 4 into 2 pi minus sin 4 into 0. Okay. So here we consider the 2 pi, this is radian, so this is 8 pi. So we know the our sin graph, this way, right? So this is a, let us say this is a sin theta, theta bearing in radian angle, right? So this will be in radian and degree. So this will be pi by 2 or 90 degree. This is pi and this is 2 pi. So this is a plus minus 1. So plus minus 1. So this is a varying from the 0 से 2 pi. So basically this is a periodic signal, right? So this is a, if you see the 8 pi, 8 pi also will get the 0 value. Of course 0 is 0 only, right? So this value will be coming 2 pi minus 0 and minus 0 minus 0. So value repeat basically 8 pi. This is like multiple of pi. Value sin value is 0. So 2 pi by 8 is pi by 4. You will get the answer. So this is the answer actually. Okay. So question was simple. Okay. So that's all for this video, and we will come up with a new question. So hope you understood this, how we can manipulate the given question in terms of the term which is integrable. Okay, so this is not integrable, so that's why we can do actually. So either of the like here one more I think can we solve one more way actually. Let us solve other way. Answer will be get same, you can see here. This is right. If you put like I just divide by the 4 and multiply 4, so you can write like that, right? 2 sin theta cos theta whole square, right? Or this formula we know. This formula is sin 2 theta, right? So here 1 by 4, 0 से 2 pi, so it will be, we can write sin square 2 theta and d theta. So now again, now there is no option, you have to again come back to cos, right? So I think this way is only one time we can change it. For given, I think 2 times we require to change, right? One is a first time, this one, and then for cos cut 2 theta we also need to change. Directly we get this step here. Yeah, you can see. Here we can also write here. You want to see that 1 minus cos square 2 theta, we can write the here itself sin square 2 theta, right? For this formula. So based on the identity, like how quickly we can recognize the to use the identity. Okay, so here we can also use same thing we get here also, right? So here now I think now is same actually here. So again let us say we can write here 1 minus cos 4 theta, right, by 2. So we'll get here 1 by 8, 0 से 2 pi 1 minus cos 4 theta and d theta. So now it is a more or less same, right? We get same thing right here. You can see 1 minus cos 4 theta. Okay. So theta minus sin 4 theta by 4, 0 से 2 pi. So 1 by 8, 2 pi, 0 upper limit minus lower limit. So 1 by 4, it is 0. So it will be 1 by 8 into 2 pi, will get the pi by 4. So sine is a periodic signal, so it will be all multiple of the pi will get the uh, 0 value, right? Hope you understood. So that's all. So either of them we can solve how we can recognize where the formula can be, trigonometric formula can be applied, okay, and manipulate in such way that given function to be integrable, right? So that's all.